Sugar pa dyan kaayo. Hey then, happy birthday! Ito natin yung lamas para lamas yung araw. So, hello. Mag-andam na karon no kay birthday man ni Jaden sa Monday pero i-celebrate na mo ugma Sunday kay para kompleto gani mi kay pag Monday magud na mo i-celebrate. Sayo kaayo mo lakaw si Alina ug si Dominic para silang eskwela. Di na mo ma-surprise si Jaden. So karon akong first buhaton kay marinate ko sa amo ang pork belly para ugma. Ibutangan na ko sa oven para mahimo siyang lechon. So mo na akong ibutang no. Spring onions, and of course tanglad. Mahal kay yung nani ay 200 pesos may yata ang isa kay yung nani. Unya garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt and pepper. Unya dili mo wala ang ahos og onion. Unya of course dili mo wala ang tuyo. Ibutan ni diri ha, kasabot ka. Mao na niya nga mo ang palit na pork belly. Wow! Limpyuhan sa nato para limpyo jud kayo siya. Kaya grabe kayang balahibo. Kalimot siguro sa limpyo sa kuan. Shave ani. So dapat yun no, hait inyong kutsilyo. Kaya pag dili no sa puton mo. So shout out sa kumbana. Kaya naadyo siya electric gani. Electric machine magkuan sa among kutsilyo. Maghait. Diba? Dili kapos gano ayaw na lang tuga-tuga. Pero in fairness the best kay lahang pork dire kay dili jud kay kanang taba kayo tan-awa ra gud even kaayo lahang kanang taba ug unod. The best jud kaayo. Pero actually gi-request na mo niingon ani na cut. So kani kay mga 5 kilos and 5.2 kilograms yata ni siya. Nasa mga 52 euros. Nya katong seasoning sa ang gi-mix ganina. I-massage lang nato para mulusot jud ang seasoning. Kumuto na to niyang lamas para magawas yun ang aroma. Tanglad. Ay, kahamot. Mura jog lechon. My tears. Oh, here's the nice one. Here's the nice one. More. It's my forever assistant. Okay.
Can you not mess with my finger this time?
I won't promise. Babe.
Hey, last time you tried to cut my finger off.
That was an action bar.
Yeah, and then you laughed.
Guwapa kayo. Ibutangan na ko siya sa fridge o overnight ka para ma-marinate. Gani dayon siya. So time check. Alas 8 na sa gabi Mag-wrap lang ko, tas mag-decorate ko mga balloons kami sa kumbana. Wala mong regalo kay Jaden. Buzz Lightyear. Kato pa ning Christmas niya gi-request niya kani body. Unya shoes na Buzz Lightyear pod og relo. So maro niya mo ang regalo kay Jaden. Uy, napade ay Woody na sinina. So, tiwaso na lang ako ni Ugma,
To
no?
know that you're about to walk into a zone.
Before, uy, kaya kung ba, no? Uy. Let me see.
So he knows as soon as he wakes up, like this is about to get real.
Then I will just put like more balloons here.
Yeah, right here. Right here.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Grabe ka excited akong bana. Ay, cute ka ayo, no? Maura ni. Tapos din na, nahulog kay gano. Medyo bugat ang isa ka balon. So, og matara ko sa'yo, always na kung matag sa'yo, no? Mababa lang ko diri before mababa si Jaden, tas i-arrange na ko. Kani mga balon diri, I will just put it in the, on the stairs, outside, hallway, whatever. Right?
Yeah.
Tapos, na mga gift ni Jaden dere. So, excited. I mean, time check. What time is it?
Oh.
Alas 9 na. So, mag-ilis pa ko. Magkuhan pa ko sa kong nawon. Ay, lahira jud no? Pagkuhan. Nay, anak. Oh, akong ba na natin hipos ka? Ako may nagkuhan di. Akong ba na manghipos? Good job, brother.
Good job, sister.
Akong ba na naman hipos kay? Ako yung nagtrabaho. I mean, nitabang man siya. So, I'm so excited kung unsa ang reaction ni Jaden. Ugma, pero moingon yun, this is the best thing in all my life. All the time na si Jaden, no? Pero at least malipay pod ang inahan. So, i-update ta mo ugma mga labs, no? Kaya marag matuog na ako kay dapat na nako sa katri karon naghigda-higda na ko.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Jaden! Go! Kiyag siya. Happy birthday, Dom! 3, smile. 1, 2, smile, Jaden! Jaden, look at him!
Wow, it's a body dinosaur walking.
Wow.
Let's open the door.
Look at you!
What is this? It's a Freddy.
Uy, makadali na.
Wow, 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 wow. That was Buzz Bunny. Can I open the present stack?
Jaden, you're opening.
It's my birthday, Bobby.
Yeah.
I dress up my body.
Booty. Jaden Woody, Jaden Woody.
You're definitely not dressed up like Booty.
Wow, Buzz Bunny.
Nagpaabot ang ate, ang kuya, ang daddy, proud.
Mommy, Buzz
Dominic.
Bunny.
Wa pa rin natog si Dominic ha. Mga yun, ani si Sim.
Wow, 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 wow.
Jaden na.
It's Buzz Lightyear.
No, no,
Turn
Jaden.
around.
Buzz Lightyear.
It's a projection watch.
It's a protected wall.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, here.
And my birthday. I love it.
Okay, okay.
No, it's Hellboy. Wow. Mommy.
Turn it around, Jaden.
Woody do.
It's the body. It's false. It's rugby. I
Okay, go.
love it. And that's the one. You're so happy after
I'm so happy on your birthday.
It's amazing. Check it.
Buzz Lightyear reporting for duty. Lightspeed, go! Thrusters to full power.
Let me open it.
Oh, yeah. This is Ate's gift. Open Ate's gift.
Wait, Bobby. It's my gift. Wow, wow.
I still remember saying it's not like it's
Yeah.
really a Christmas.
Mommy, and open the right.
Okay. Okay, open Ate's gift.
Style.
Okay. It's my birthday.
It is your birthday.
Wow. That's it for you, Ate.
No,
It's chalk.
That's a chalk.
Oh, these two
I have
kids.
chalk. That's a pie.
Yeah, but that's
say thank you, Ate.
Thank you, Ate. Oh, this is for you, Ate.
that's for you, Jaden's lollipops.
Ate bought it for you, Dom.
I remember at Grandma's house, we used to use chocolate.
Chop. Close your eyes. Ta-da!
Wow. What's that?
This hat is like not even close.
That's why he was looking for this. This one.
Korea. Daddy.
Huh?
And you do like this.
Uh-huh.
See, it's open.
Good.
Maka-happy kay reaction ni Jaden. So enjoy lang sa damo karong adlaw. Karong morning, unya-unya mi maghanda-handa mi
Get
unya.
ready to blast off. Let's fly.
Say thank you guys.
I love it.
Say thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
So hello, mayong udto may hapon sa ba? Magandam na rin ko sa mo ang lutuonon. So actually ang atong lechon na ana sa oven. Nara. Lechon. See? Gwapa kaayo. So atong lechon kay kuan na siya. Gitunga na ko kay ngano taas man dai kaayo to Nya di masakto sa oven. Unya, magkuan na lang ko. Andam ko sa pansiton, sa garlic powder, garlic shrimp. Unya, maura, pansit. Maura mong handa. Actually, di juga may gahanda lagi. Uy, kay siguro no ko namin sa Pilipinas do, syempre na ay mga pinsan ni Jaden, mga tita, tito, makahanda siya may dire magod kay kami ram. So, muna nila mong handa jud. So, time check, it's 3:29 na dahil karon no. Gigutom na jud sila. Actually, murag wala na ni udto yata si Dominic kay nagpaabot itaw siya sa lechon. So, pag na leftover, of course, baon jud sa mga bagats. Basin baon jud sila din sa maula magbaon kay mga Filipino food. Okay na pud kaayo. Si Jaden dahil kay tanaw sa lida. Wala na ako gipatabang kay madugay na pud me. Nagdula sila ni Kian sa new toys si Jaden. So iandam rin ako ni kay para unya diretso-diretso na gani di na ako mag-andam-andam or magtadad-tad og mga lamas kay gikompleto na nako para diretso na luto unya ba. Kay you know, gipanggutom na ang mga tao dire. Online tita and titos, happy birthday to Jaden! Happy birthday, Jaden! Happy birthday, Kuya Jaden! Happy birthday, Kuya Jaden! Oh my God, my love! You're 4 years old. Ay, kagwapo eh. May gwapo, baby, may smart. You're smart eh. So karon no, magluto na tao kuan. Magluto sa og shrimp daan. Ato garlic powder. Opo. Ano to ang shrimp? Una na ko ni siya kay para galing ma-offer ko kasi shrimp. Dali na kayo di ba about Jaden's birthday?
Jaden's birthday was the best birthday ever. He got everything he wanted. He's super excited. He dressed up as a movie.
Uy. You know what? Grabe si Jaden ay kanang grabe kay siya ka-thankful gani. He always asks like, "Mommy, do you like my birthday?" Kanang simple as that, but it means a lot as parents, right, babe?
Yep. The decorations were cheap, all
Yeah.
from AliExpress. Love it.
We
Which is
love,
great, 'cause they went straight to the trash when we were done.
yeah, we love AliExpress. So, tanawan ninyo.
That's a note for all the parents. You don't have to go broke trying to please your kids, okay? Kids don't care how much something costs. They just want the experience of life and family. That's it.
Yep. Or, gabi ka crispy. Wow. Na, tender pa dyan kaayo. Kalami ba? Ani, oy? Mga unatan ninyo. Uy, nagyawin na sige yan. So, mauni mo ang handa. Simple handa for Jaden's birthday. Pansit for long life. Bellichon og butter shrimp. Butter garlic shrimp. Are you hungry, Kian, buyers? Opo. Opo.